Hey guys, so I'm heading to uni right now. Yeah, it's gloomy today, and it's just woke up late. I'm not feeling the best. I'm not sick though, but I'm not feeling the best. Yeah, just too lazy or something today. Also, I have some gigs in the weekend, and I'm not sure. Um, for Saturday, I don't know. Alex hasn't contacted me. Anyway, yeah, it's a bit bad feeling, and also winter is coming just around the corner. End of April right now, so I don't know how to feel. I feel like gloomy, bad, sad. I don't know. One of the main things, or one of the reasons I put this vlog in is because I want to have some like a diary or something, and this is what I'm doing. Yeah, this is what I'm doing. Why am I? Yeah, I was saying is that I made this YouTube channel just that I could put up a diary or something, and tell what's happening in my life today, and that's it. And also learn how to edit. So yeah, I've come to a point wherein I have a lot of subscribers and views and everything, and I have to make myself look good. But that was not the main point. So I'm gonna put out still vlogs like this, me talking. I don't like vlogging, like blabbering when I'm doing awesome like public vlogs, but I'm gonna put this as unlisted and create vlogs every day of how I feel, and that should give me something to like push my day through and make vlogs, because this was the initial thing that I wanted to do in the first place. The only thing is that I just had a lot of viewers and everything. I mean, I had a lot of people following me, and that's what happened. You get to change your priorities because there are new ones that's in, but it's still the same thing. I still want to vlog like this, and I want to keep this channel. I'm gonna do it on the Bisaya by channel also, which is my Bisaya vlogs channel, and we'll see how this goes. Because I've been missing the whole point of me making this channel, and I've been looking to a lot of gears, so I've been blinded by the gears and blinded by a lot of things. I want to do a lot of things, and it's hard to do it. I'm not successful, but yeah, let's do it that way. Yes, let's start now. It's gonna be unlisted. If you ever come across this vlog, this is me talking like how do you say it? I don't know how to say it. This is me just talking about myself and how my vlog situation is, and yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna look at this years later and like cringe, but that's fine. That I've been doing other vlogs. I had the crappiest editing before, and that's fine. That's the city where I'm at right now. So you can see that's the city. The sunset. Sun's just gone. So that's the city where I'm at right now. That's CBD. So it's getting dark now. I just had to stop and do a video. It's really crazy dark. I'm gonna change the settings. It's not yet really crazy dark, but there's not a lot of light around, so the lighting's really bad. I'm near the uni right now, and I'm gonna be done vlogging in a few. But yeah, I just had to stop and show you the sunset. Unfortunately, when I took out the drone, the sun was not giving up this yellow light, so it's no more sunset for that case. Yeah. Now I have the red light. Something stuck in my eye. I have the red light. Something stuck in my eye. I'm gonna wait quick. Past day one of the classes, now I'm heading to the other one. You can see a lot of people behind me. But yeah, the next one now. There you go. Okay, so I just arrived home now, and yeah, I was vlogging earlier with this camera here, which is the RX 100 Mark 7. It's pretty good, but it's not a changeable lens. I rip. So yeah, I kind of miss. I sold my A7C because I was buying this camera here. This is the Sony A1. There you go. So yeah, it's the top of the line camera, or how do they call it? The best camera for Sony. And the thing is, now that I have it, I got it for cheaper, and the good thing is it's really good. I was planning to have this as my daily vlogging camera and everything else. I like that it doesn't have a flip screen because I hate the flip screen, but it works for me also. Yeah, I was planning to have this as my main camera. I'm gonna shoot an S-Log for all my videos and everything else, and I just planned for it, decided, and just now I got it. I tried it for a few days. For shooting weddings, it's 15 megapixels, so a 256 memory card is so big for it. I mean, so small for it. Sorry, not thinking. 256 card is gonna end up with around, let me see, 3,000 photos, and if I use my A9, it's a 24 megapixel camera. I will have around 9,000 photos, so that's a lot. 3,000, 9,000. So if I'm going to shoot a lot of weddings with this camera, I'm going to need a lot of hard drives, and that's going to be tough. So decided that the best camera ever for me is the A7C, because the thing is, it's 24 megapixels. It shoots good photo. It shoots good 4K. Doesn't have S-Log, but for vlogs and daily shoots I don't need S-Log. I can use it for streaming. So yeah, what happened was I got one. I got one again. So crazy, man. But yeah, I really love this camera here. So for now, I'm just gonna go to bed. Now I'm gonna do some stuff. So I'm gonna take a shower. It's really late right now. It's around 12:46, nearly 1 a.m. But yeah. This is my first upload of my vlog that I don't really care. I just want to upload everything up. Cool. Oh yeah, I just realized that door was open earlier and I'm going to be annoyed with this video, but I don't want to do it again. I just want to go to bed. So that's it. You're going to see it in the video. I just close it now. Bye.